Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. How is everyone this Good Friday? I hope you're all okay. So today in Fatim Ali's Kitchen, as you can see, we always have surprises for you. But today the surprise will be we're making Good Friday Naanmburu. Naanmburu is a very nice Gambian dessert and it's commonly made on Easter Friday by the Christian people, and today I am going to show you how we do that in the Gambia. Okay, so first we're going to show you what we use to cook this Naanmburu in or make this Naanmburu in. We've got some plain rice here, rice flour, it's a powdered one. I'm going to do something with that later, but I will show you. And then after that, we've got baobab. I've got a powdered one here, which I'm going to use. So this is from Senegal. It's already handmade and it's organic. But normally when we make this Naanmburu, we use the seed one, the one on the seed back home. And then we will soak it in and do all our magic in there. So I've got a coconut here that I'm going to crack later on. Put some holes there and then get the juice out. But I need the coconut itself, the fruit itself I'm going to need. Okay, and then we've got some nutmeg here as well, which is going in. And I'm going to use some of the vanilla extract that will go into. And then I've got a cup and a half of milk here, and then I've got a cup of sugar here, and I've got banana as well, which I will put in. It's a very nice dessert, and the Christians make it on Easter Friday. When they make it, they'll put it in cups and they will distribute it around, which is very nice, you know, a little nice community that we have in the Gambia. So let's start. Okay guys, let's see how this baobab look inside in here. Did you see guys? This is how it looks. I'm going to pour some in my bowl here, in my mixing bowl. I'm not going to use all of it. I'm just going to make half of it. Yeah, that should be enough. Okay. It is all nicely prepared. You see, it's so clean. There's no bits in it. Also, I've got some water that I didn't mention, which is going in this mixture here. But first, I've got the powder here. I don't know how much I put in. The whole pack is 250 grams. I must have put about 115, something like that, because I've got more left in the bag. So I will add some water to that and then give it a mix. You don't want it too wet, you want it a little bit thick because it's nice when it's thick, but not too thick as well. Okay, so I will set that aside for a minute. I have had 5 cups of water in this jug, but I took about a cup and a half, so I'm gonna give that a mix. Okay, and then I'll put the milk in. I need to know when I put the milk in whether it's going to be very thick or it's going to be less thick before I add more water to it. Alright, and then I'm going to add the sugar in, and then I'll add a few drops of the nutmeg in. It's very nice with nutmeg, this dessert. Okay, and then I'll put 2 of the vanilla extract. Okay, then give it all a mix. I'll put the banana in at the very end when I'm ready to serve it. So I'm gonna set that aside for a little bit, and then I'll jump onto my coconut. How do I break that coconut? I'll leave that to the strong man to do. What did I tell you guys? Leave the coconut with the strong man to break it. Now, I'm going to grate the coconut like this. Sorry guys, I had to change my grater because it was going everywhere. When you get to the very small bit of it. You don't have to grate it because it's so hard to do the small bits. Also, I use the big side of the grater because that's what I want. I want them a little bit chunky, but you can use any sides. You can use the small one or the very small one, or even you can go bigger if you like, but I chose that one. And this is how it looks at the end of it. So that is going in our smoothie. Okay. And then I'll bring it up here a little bit. Then I'll give it a mix. Then I'll wash my hands. I'm going to put a clean fill on this. And then I'm going to set that in the fridge for later. So guys, now we're going to move on with our rice flour ingredient. So I've got 3 cups of rice flour in this bowl here. I'm gonna see if I still remember how to make this with my lovely clean hands. We need some water in it, not too much, little by little. And then this is what I'm going to be doing, because I need to make some balls out of it. Okay, and then I add some more water, then mix. You have to be gentle with it. Don't put too much water at one time. It's gonna be wet, and we don't want that. Normally we use a different container when we make this, and it's called mirango or leket, and it's so nice. Some people are so very good at it. Keep going, keep going. We are not there yet. We add another little water, then we mix. When you do this, don't put the whole rice flour in. Just try and save some on the side, so that if it is wet, you can add it on. Because the more you add the rice flour, the more it doesn't get too wet. Okay, it's forming, and it's forming nicely. I'm gonna add a little tiny bit of rice flour. Some people don't like fruits in their Naanmburu. Some people, they don't like bananas in it. But it's all okay. You don't have to add any fruit in it if you don't like any fruit. Lovely. So the bananas go in. Right. Now let's wash our hand. Let's bring that up here. Look at that, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that Naanmburu, guys. You are all invited to try this Naanmburu. Absolutely delicious. So guys, we're going to dish up our Naanmburu now, and I will say a very happy Easter to all the Christian people. Have a great Easter, and I hope you enjoy it. We've got the Easter Naanmburu here for you, and I'm going to shout out to my lovely sister-in-law who sent me all the way from Leeds baobab powder, because we don't have it around here at the moment. And I'm gonna dish out some here. That's your sister-in-law. All right, this is for you. So that's all that we've got for you in Fatim Aliu's kitchen. I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to like. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell right over here, so that you don't miss out on content when we post a new video. You'll be the first to be notified. In the meantime, happy Easter to you all. Let's enjoy the holiday until we come on your way again soon. Thank you. Goodbye.